because it's not healthy anymore. My hair is damaged. It's because of different hair treatments, doing always rebonding, hair treatments, colors, hair colors, and other stuff. So yeah, it damaged. So that's why I got it. So now I'm happy with it because it did not like before that it's so dry. Now it's a little bit silky and shine. Shine, shimmering splendor. Karen, hello my friend. Dylan, shut up. How are you? Shimmering splendor. Bupang ito siya eh. Shimmering splendor. If you cut, I will unsubscribe. It's up to you. Because I want to like a new look, you know. Because all of the past how many years I have long hair, so yeah, I want it different. Today looking so beautiful. Oh, really? Thank you. Thank you so much. Ay. Ayan ko nga kung hindi ba ito na ano. Flag content na naman tong si Facebook. Facebook is really hard. So very strict, you know. Sing a song, please. Last Christmas. I don't know how to sing. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. From the very next day. Is it correct? Ay, I don't know how to sing. Ay. No, no, hello. How are you? Thank you for coming sa aking live. I'm gonna massage my nose in order to be nice shape. Pointy nose. How are you po? I'm good. I told you I'm good. Still alive and kicking. What's going on? Nothing. Nothing's gonna change my love for you.